Hey, hello everyone. I'm Naina Gite from Nasi. Welcome everybody in today's online session. Today we are going to see in Maths 2 for 10th standard. In Maths 2, our last lesson, mensuration. Our last lesson, mensuration. Mensuration means measurement. Mensuration means measurement. We can define mensuration as a measurement of geometrical quantities, length, width, area, and perimeter, etc. We learn quantities areas in previous standard. Area means shape occupied by given figure. In this chapter, mensuration, we are going to study about the surface area and volume of some three-dimensional figure. Now let's start our session. In this session, first we are going to take some quick revision about three-dimensional figure. We just saw in previous standard. On the screen some three-dimensional figure. You can see cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder, etc. In this chapter, we are going to see the surface area and volume of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Now see, first three-dimensional figure, cuboid. You all know the cuboid shape examples, fish tank, bricks, matchbox, etc. Cuboid has 6 surfaces. Each surface is rectangle. Each surface is rectangular. From 6 surfaces, 4 surfaces is lateral surfaces. 4 surfaces is a lateral surfaces. In the figure, this is the height of cuboid. This is the length of cuboid and this is the depth of cuboid. The height of this cuboid you can show by small h, length by small l and depth by small b. Cuboid is made up of rectangular shape. Each rectangle is in equal shape. So now see the surface area of lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid is 2h in bracket L plus b. 2h in bracket L plus b. Second, total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Again listen. Total surface area is equal to 2 in bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. And volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. Now see figure which is cube. Now see the diagram of cube. Cube also have 6 surfaces. Each surface is made up of square. And each square is a square. Each square is are equal. For example, dice, ice cube, etc. Cube is made up of square and each square is equal. So the length of cube is a small a. We can show by small a. Cube also has 4 lateral surface area. 4 lateral surface. So the formula of lateral surface area of cube, lateral surface area of cube is 4L square. 4L square. Total surface area of cube is 6L square. 6L square. And volume of cube is equal to L cube. Volume of cube is L cube. Our third dimensional figure is cylinder. See the figure. This is cylinder shape. Cylinder figure. Cylinder is made up of 3 surfaces. One surface is a curved surface and another 2 surface is a in circle shape. This is upper circle and this is lower circle. The height of this cylinder is shown by small h and radius of this circle shape is shown by small r. Small r. The curved surface area of cylinder, formula of curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Equal to 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder, is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Again listen, 2 pi r into in bracket r plus h. And volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Now see our next dimensional figure. You can see on the screen, which is cone. You all know, familiar with this cone shape? Ice cream cone, birthday cap, tent, etc. Cone, you can see in this figure. Cone has made up of 2 surfaces. This one surface is which is curved surface and the second surface of this cone is in circle shape. The radius of this circle shape is small r. This dotted line show the height of the cone. Height of the cone which is shown by small h, and this curved surface height means slant height. You can show by small l. Small l. Now see in the figure. This is the height which is shown by h. This is the radius. This is a slant height. This figure, this diagram, you can see this is a which type of diagram? Right angle triangle diagram. So to find the slanted height, small l is equal to in square root a square plus r square. A square plus r square means you can use the Pythagoras theorem. This slanted height L is equal to square root a square h square plus r square. A square plus r square. The curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Is equal to pi r L. And total surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Pi r L. Now volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi into r square into h. Again listen, 1 upon 3 into pi into r square into h. This is the formula of volume of cone. we see the surface area, formula of surface area of cone and volume of cone. Our next three-dimensional figure is sphere. Now see the diagram. Sphere. You can see sphere has only one shape, surface shape, only one surface, which is curved surface, which is full in curved surface. For example, football, you know. Now see in the diagram. This is the radius of this sphere. Radius of this sphere. So, surface area of this sphere, surface area of this sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Second, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r square. 4 upon 3 pi r square. Now see, hemisphere. Hemisphere. Hemisphere, you can see the figure of this hemisphere. Hemisphere has two surfaces. Hemisphere has two surfaces. One surface is a curved surface. One surface is a curved surface and another surface is in circle shape. Is in circle shape. So you can show the radius of this by small r. By small r. Now see the formula of surface, area of surface and volume of the given hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. And total surface area of hemisphere. Total surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. And volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 into pi into r cube. Pi into r cube. Again listen, volume is equal to 2 upon 3 into pi into r cube. This is all the formula of surface area and volume of the given three-dimensional figure. Now we are going to solve some examples on this all formula of cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone, sphere, etc. Now see the exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. Our first example you can see on the screen. I read the example. Find the volume of cone. Find the volume of cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter and its perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. Perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. You have to find out the volume of cone. Volume of cone. Radius is given in solution. Radius of cone, which is shown by a small r, is equal to 1.5 centimeter. And height of cone, h is equal to 5 centimeter. H is equal to 5 centimeter. Now apply the formula of volume of cone. Write down here. Volume of cone is volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Recently you see volume of cone, formula of volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Now put the value of radius r is equal to 1.5 and h is equal to height 5 centimeter. Is equal to, after putting the value of r and h, 1 upon 3 into value of pi, I put here 22 upon 7 into value of r 1.5, which is square, so I write it 1.5 into 1.5 into h, the value of h, height. After calculation, you get volume of cone is equal to 82.5 upon 7. 82.5 upon 7. For this calculation, you calculate all this multiplication upon 3 into 7. You get, on the next step, volume of cone is equal to 82.5 upon 7. After dividing 82.5 by 7, you get in next step, volume of cone is equal to 11.785. 11.785 is equal to 11.79, approximately 11.79 centimeter cube. The unit of volume is cube, centimeter cube. So the volume of cone is equal to 11.79 centimeter cube. Now see the second example on the screen. Find the volume of sphere. Find the volume of sphere of diameter 6 centimeter, having diameter 6 centimeter. Again, listen carefully. Our example is find the volume of sphere. Find the volume of sphere. Diameter of sphere is 6 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of sphere. Now solution. In the example, diameter of sphere is given, which is 6 centimeter. So write down here d is equal to 6 centimeter. D is equal to 6 centimeter. So find out the value of r, means radius. Half of this diameter, 6 upon 2. So r is equal to 3 centimeter. I write here directly, you can take the step. R is equal to d upon 2. D upon 2 means is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to r is equal to 3 centimeter. Now I apply the formula of volume of sphere, which is volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 into pi into r cube. Put the value of r, radius of this sphere, which is given 3 centimeter, and put the value of pi again. Is in next step, volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 into, I put the value of pi is 3.14 into the value of r 3 into 3 into 3, which is the cube of r. So next step, 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 3 get cancel. 1 3 from this 3 get cancel. In next step, after calculating, you get the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is equal to 113.04. 113.04. After multiplication, you get the volume of sphere. The value of volume of sphere is equal to 113.04. Our third example. Find the total surface area of cylinder. Find the total surface area of cylinder. If the radius of its base is 5 centimeter. Now see our third example. Find the total surface area of cylinder. Find the total surface area of cylinder. If the radius of its base is if the radius of its base is 5 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter. Height is 40 centimeter. Now see the solution. In this example, you have to find out the surface area of cylinder. Okay. Then solution. Radius of given cylinder is given, which is r is equal to 5 centimeter. R is equal to 5 centimeter. Now apply the formula of surface area of cylinder. H is also given. H is equal to 40 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 40 centimeter. So applying the formula of surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r in bracket r plus h and bracket r plus h. Now put the value of radius of cylinder and height of cylinder, which is 5 and 40. So putting the value in next step, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 into 3.1. I put the value of pi, which is 3.14. 3.14. 2 into 3.14 into value of radius are 5 into 5 in bracket 5 plus 40. 5 plus 40. First solve the bracket. 40 plus 5, it's become 45. In next step and multiply 2 into 5, you get 10. For next step you get 3 into 1 4 into 10 into 45 into 45. Here multiplication of 2 into 5 is 10 and addition of 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. So our step is 3 into 1 4 into 10 into 45 is equal to total surface area of cylinder is equal to, after multiplication you get 1413 in centimeter square. 1413 centimeter square. This is write in sentence. Total surface area of given cylinder. Total surface area of given cylinder is 1413 centimeter square. Now see fourth example from the exercise 7.1. I read the example. Listen carefully. Find the surface area of a sphere. Find the surface area of sphere if its radius is 7 centimeter. If its radius is 7 centimeter. In this example, radius of sphere is given, which is 7 centimeter. So in the solution, write down first radius of sphere small r is equal to 7 centimeter. R is equal to 7 centimeter. Now write the formula of the surface area of sphere. So I write here surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to surface area sphere is equal to 4 into pi into r square, means 4 pi r square. So you write 4 into pi into r square. Now put the value of radius r, which is given in the example 7 centimeter. So on the next step, write here surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 into value of pi, which is 22/7. I write here the value of r, which is 7, which is given in the equation, in the example, which is 7. R is square, so I write here 7 into 7. Our next step, 4 into 22/7 into 7 into 7. Here 1 7, and from this 7 is both 7s get cancelled. 7 7 get cancelled. On the next step, you get 4 into 22 into 7. 4 into 22 into 7. So multiplication of 4 into 22 is 88. 4 into 22, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. 82 into remaining 7 into 7. So multiplication of 88 into 7, 7 into 8, 56. 6, right here 6, carry 5, 7 into 8 again 56, 56 plus 5 which is 61. So in last step you get surface area of sphere is equal to 616 centimeters square. 616 centimeters square. In this way we find out the surface area of a sphere. In this example, applying the formula of surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So in this way, in our chapter mensuration, first we saw the three-dimensional figure just as a cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere, and the surface formula of surface area and the volume. And then we saw some example from exercise 7.1, which is on cone, sphere and cylinder, etc. So in this lesson, first you have to revise the formula of the cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Formula, surface area formula and formula of volume of all these three-dimensional figure. Then you can solve all practice exercise example using this formula. Thank you.